Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream out of Oreos and milk. This super easy method requires just a few common items you likely already have. First, make sure you have about 10 to 12 Oreo cookies and your preferred milk. You'll also need a sturdy freezer-safe container for chilling. This quick recipe is perfect for a sweet treat without needing an ice cream maker. Let's get started on this delicious dessert. Now, let's prepare our main ingredients. Take about 10 to 12 Oreo cookies and crush them into small, delightful pieces. You can use a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin or a food processor for a finer crumb. Next, pour 1 cup of your chosen milk into a bowl with the crushed Oreos. Stir everything together really well, ensuring all the cookie bits are nicely coated and softened by the milk. Once your mixture is ready, transfer it into a shallow, freezer-safe container. A wider container helps it freeze more evenly and quickly. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until it reaches your desired ice cream consistency. For an extra creamy texture, stir the mixture every 30 to 60 minutes during the first 2 hours of freezing. This prevents large ice crystals from forming. Your homemade Oreo milk ice cream is now ready to enjoy. Before scooping, let it sit out for a few minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to serve. Feel free to customize your treat with extra crushed Oreos, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or even some whipped cream. It's a simple, delicious dessert that's perfect anytime. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.